Hello everyone, we will be able to see how to join Google Classroom by using the Gmail. If you observe here, you have getting the notification since you have the app already, showing it as like you have an invite, you are being invited to join the class, that is trial. That notification you can find it there. So other than that, you can also go to the Gmail to open your mail and then you can join by using the option that is available there. So here you can find the invitation that is available as my first mail. Open it. There you have the option to join. So you can see who has invited and name of it. So if you are going with the app, you can go with the Classroom. If you are using a laptop or your PC, you can it will directly open a new tab, opens the Google Classroom, initiates and helps you join the classroom directly. Now I'm using the app. I'm selecting the my email ID, whichever the ID that is prescribed, that I have preferred, and then followed by, now we are able to see that there is an old class available, new class we are able to see there, we have joined it. So under this classes you can see that trial available. You will have your respective classes that is there specifically specified. So here you can see there is an assignment, you can see that in the stream, or you can also see that assignment in the classwork also, right? Test 1 I have specified. So if you want to answer that test 1, you have to click on that. There you can see that there is some instructions given, the answer in sheets, and scan the sheets and upload the PDF. And you can also see an attachment that will be the question paper. You open the question paper, look into it. Once after answering it, you have to scan it. You can use any of the scanning apps, mobile apps. After that, you can just have to go to your work. You just pull it up. Once you pull it up, you will get the option to submit the assignment. You can click on the attachment, attach your file. So whatever the file that you have scanned, you can just go to it. As here I have used Adobe Scan, so I'm using a file to attach here. So once you click on the attachment, it should attach. The attachment should be attached. Okay, sorry, there is a small error. So I'll just try it once or twice. It depends on the network. If you have good network, it will just upload quickly. If you don't have a good network, you may have to upload a smaller file. What you can do is, if you suppose you have bigger file, you can split that file into two. You can add like first 10 pages you will upload once, and then the remaining 10 pages you can attach as another attachment. So you can find multiple attachments here and you can just attach them. That will not be a problem. You can attach multiple files. It will easily accept it. So here you can see that it is getting uploaded, and the upload is successful now. So I have attached now, the answer has been attached. Once you are done with it, if you want to add some comments, you can add the comments. There you have another, if you want to add another attachment, you can click on add attachment again and attach it. If not, you can just click on that turn in. If you click on that turn in, the assignment will be submitted. Later you will not be able to edit it, but you can ask your invigilator or teacher to revert or return the assignment, and you can alter it. That will not be a problem. Okay, so you just click on that turn in, then your answer will be submitted. So while submitting, it will ask for the confirmation whether you are submitting with only one attachment. Yes, you can just click on turn in. The answer will be submitted. Okay, this is how you will be able to submit the assignment, and question paper is there. Whatever that you want, you are able to see things there. So there is a small network problem, that's why I am not be able to open the page. So by looking at this, you can just answer the question paper as instructed. You can just have to inform, you are supposed to write some USN and your registered number or page number, everything very properly. Okay, I hope it clears some of the problems. If you have any doubts, put it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.